New South Wales is in the grip of a whooping cough epidemic. The number of cases has almost doubled in a year, with one area of Sydney the hardest hit.
3-month-old Ray Marie has had 2 scares in her short life.
Her brother was diagnosed with whooping cough in February at the beginning of the year. She was only 10 days old at this point, so a baby at that young age that she couldn't be immunised.
She was rushed to hospital and kept in isolation. And just a fortnight ago, the little girl had a coughing fit, turning blue in the face.
I panicked. I didn't know what was going on. Within 5 minutes we were in an ambulance, so I knew that we were in the best hands then.
Whooping cough is highly contagious, caused by a bacterial infection. It starts off like a cold, but could end up a lot worse.
Broken ribs, you can get hemorrhages in your conjunctiva, and also you can actually get some lung damage following whooping cough.
Whooping cough was once considered a childhood disease, but health authorities are now urging people to have a booster shot, with many adults and the elderly being hit by the potentially fatal infection.
Something Dr. Adams has experienced firsthand.
And I coughed literally for 3 months, and I coughed so much I prolapsed a disc in my neck onto my spinal cord and had spinal surgery.
More recently, it's been adults who're getting most of the whooping cough, and they can transfer it to kids. Whooping cough can kill babies, particularly if they're less than 6 months of age.
Nearly 4,500 cases have already been recorded this year. With winter just hours away, experts are bracing for another hike. A free vaccination is available for both children and their carers. Antoinette Lattouf, 10 News.